Hi, it's Christina, and I have this 5-pack of Shopkins that I'm gonna open today. So, as you can see, there are 4 up here that we can see, and there's one hidden inside. And we have 5 bags as well. So, and this is the back side of it. So, let's open and see who we're getting. First is Pepper. And Jellyby. And Cheesy. And Posh Pear. And I'm just gonna put the bags up here. And gonna open this one. Oh, it's a donut. And I don't have that. She's so cute. So that was the 5 packs. So thanks for watching.